Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing amazing, wonderful collection of tiny Valampuri conch from Indian Ocean. It is extremely rarest, world most rarest collection from Indian Ocean. World most rarest collection from Indian Ocean. It is caught as a pair. It is called Vishnu Lakshmi Valampuri conch or Vishnu Lakshmi Dakshavarthi conch or Vishnu right open conch. Extremely rarest collection. Extremely rarest collection. It is impossible to get such a collection. Big conch is for Vishnu, Mahavishnu. Small conch is MAHALAKSHMI. It is got at the same area. Both are collected from the same area. It is impossible collection. And like this conch, it will be not more than 10 pieces in this world. It will be not more than 10 pieces in this world. Very rare to get. It is most rare than Dakshavarthi conch. See? You can see the energy and vibration when having in my hand. Such a beautiful collection. Just it is impossible to get such a pair of collection again in this world. And if you single piece you take, there will be not more than 10 pieces in this world. It's extremely rare. It is from the Rameswaram, Indian Ocean, Rameswaram. More rarest Dakshavarthi conch in the world. This is from Indian Ocean. Extremely powerful. Big one is for Vishnu, small one is for Lakshmi. You can feel the energy. When I keep it, you can feel the energy. Such an amazing collection it is. Extremely rarest Dakshavarthi conch in the world. Beautiful collection. Om Namah Shivaya. You see how beautiful it is. It is very delicate conch, so I should handle it very carefully. Because it is impossible to get again. See how beautiful it is. It is Vishnu Mahalakshmi. Vishnu Lakshmi. Mahavishnu Mahalakshmi. It is got same as pair from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya. 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 You see, now I am showing the close-up shot of the Vishnu and Lakshmi conch. See how beautiful it is. It is got at the same pair from like Indian Ocean. Extremely very rarest. See how beautiful it is. Pure white, and it is a Vishnu conch. You can see here tilak mark here, 3 lines Vishnu tilak here. Extremely beautiful and very delicate conch. I have to handle it very carefully. And here you can see some symbol. You can see a tilak of Vishnu. And here you can see some shade of Vishnu face. You can see shade of Vishnu face. You can see. Now it is a Mahalakshmi conch. It's more beautiful than Vishnu conch. So here you can see the face, two eyes and nose. You can see the face of Mahalakshmi here. See, totally you can see the face of Mahalakshmi. 2 eyes, nose, and looking like face of Mahalakshmi. Beautiful. See? Totally very beautiful conch. In the world there will be not more than 10 pieces this conch, not more than 10 pieces conch. Extremely very rarest Dakshavarthi conch in the world. It is from Indian Ocean, Rameswaram, Vishnu Lakshmi conch. It is impossible to get again. Impossible to get again. Extremely powerful, extremely delicate conch.